Hey, my name's Cag. I'm from Passion and Purpose Academy, and for the past 5 weeks I've been running an in-schools program at Maribyrnong Primary School. It's been a great experience. It's been all about engaging the students and teaching them the importance of just healthiness, teaching them the importance of working together towards a performance goal, and introducing them to different elements of dance, not just hip hop, Afro, and just basically just getting them active. So this program, we're trying to get into as many schools and as many organizations that are about helping young people as possible. So I hope this video gives you a little bit of insight into what we do.
I like dancing, so I guess just learning how to properly dance, because right now I just dance in my lounge room. So I guess learning how to do a proper dance is really cool.
I've been dancing, back in Sydney I was in a dance studio, and when we moved to Canberra I didn't really join one. I was in one for a short amount of time, but my other sports got too involved in my life, so I had to kind of stop, but I was kind of happy that I could get back into dancing.
Well, the first few weeks we were just sort of learning, and then the rest of it we were just sort of nailing it down, and our teachers have been filming it, so we would practice in lunch times and stuff, so yeah.
Before that it was just Fortnite dances, but now it's actual dance moves that I've learned. We were like you guys, and we didn't like dance either, but now we do.
And we were when we were doing Just Dance and stuff, we were at the back of the classroom feeling extremely awkward. But now when we do that sort of stuff, we're at the front and actually having a good time. I'm feeling really excited about it for this afternoon. I would have felt extremely awkward and embarrassed, but I'm feeling really excited and looking forward to it.
Yeah, I thought I would have been embarrassed as well, but now, these past 2 weeks have really helped me not get embarrassed or not feel awkward.
Most of us, it's our first time learning hip hop.
Yeah.
And then when we learn a dance, if it doesn't go well, then we learn a new dance move. For kids that don't want to do the program, I think you should at least try it, because it's a really fun experience.
Yeah.
So, you don't know if you're going to like it or hate it until you try it, so don't judge it.
Yeah.
But when Cag came in, I didn't really like dance, but he inspired me to actually do it, get encouraged, be confident, do the best you can, don't be silly, just do as hard as you can and put all the effort in you can. And I've been practicing at home, the moves he's been showing me, so I can get the cool moves, like the cool one where you do your arms. That was really fun. But he's just a really good teacher, and we're really glad that we have him. On stage, he's been really coming for us, and he's been really happy for us that we're doing as hard as we can. And we've been doing all we can and the best we can.
I think it's been really, really wonderful to see a lot of our not dancers really actually enjoy themselves, and I think there's just been no pressure, and the dance that you planned, the CAG planned, was really accessible to all of our kids, and so even our non-dancers are up there dancing a whole 4 minutes and they look pretty good, so that was really nice. I had 2 of our boys students today come and ask me to call their parents to tell them it was on this afternoon, so I think that people that weren't so proud are actually feeling really proud of themselves, and they've actually wanted their parents to come and watch them dance, which is pretty awesome, so that's really cool. And also, some kids that don't usually talk or get along are up there and just dancing with each other, and that's really nice to see. It's really helped the Year 6s have a nice thing that's special for them in their last term.